Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make chicken with green vegetable. It's really going to be an exciting dish, so please stay with me until the end of this video. And please, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, this is your time to do so, and then turn on your notification button so that you will never miss our new recipe that we post every week. Thank you so much. Let's go and cook together. Now we are going to start boiling our chicken. And then I'm going to add water. I'm going to start my stove, and I'm going to cover it, and the medium heat. We will boil it for almost 20 minutes, and I'll be back. Now our chicken are well cooked, and we are now going to make our dish. I'm going to start stir fry the chicken. Red pepper to spice up my chicken. So salty again. So now I'm going to fry my onion until it becomes brown. I'm going to add tomato. Now I'm adding the veggies. Now I'm going to cover it for 3 to 5 minutes, then I'll be back. We don't need our green vegetable to overcook, and adding grated carrot make it more colorful and beautiful. Now we're going to add the chicken. And our chicken are well cooked. So what we are going to do now is just to let the chicken taste infuse in our veggies before we take it off. And it's really not going to take a long time before we are done with this. So I'm going to cover just for very few minutes to make the chicken taste infuse in the veggies. As you can see, our chicken dish is almost ready. You can enjoy it with any kind of side dish you like. You can have it with rice, mashed potato, or ugali for Tanzanians and other people like it. So welcome back. Don't forget to comment below and tell me how did you find this dish. Do not forget to share with your friends and stay healthy until we meet in the next video. Thank you.